Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
I started feeling pain in my inner elbow after doing pull-ups.
Okay. So how long has it been going on?
About 2 months.
2 months. So you did pull-ups and you injured your elbow. What kind of treatment you had for your elbow?
I saw a physical therapist. He asked me to do exercises, kind of push against my hand, and it stretch it like this.
Okay.
That's it.
So, what kind of motion aggravate your symptoms? Because we want to use those motions for a way to reevaluate your response to the treatment.
So when I twist, especially like this sideways,
Okay.
I feel it right here, probably about a 6 in pain.
Okay.
When I go like this, I feel it less, about a 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in that area, so those are the motion we can use.
Yeah.
It.
When I was doing the pull-ups, I would also feel it here.
In that area too. Yeah. Okay. Like loose muscle, it should not feel like bent here. You know, like a knot. My hand, my fingers is actually rolling over it. It's like going like this. And here I don't know if you can see. Yeah. And so you have a scar tissue in this area. So when you do that motion, because the muscle should act like a rubber band when you contract and relax, stretch like this. And when you have a scar tissue, it's like you have a knot in the rubber band. So when your muscle contract, it does not stretch much. That's why when you do some of those motions, you don't get the full range of motion, and you feel more. I use the MagnaHeal as a diagnostic and treatment tool. So if you have a mild inflammation, it usually takes a few minutes with the MagnaHeal to get it under control. So if few minutes is not enough, that's mean your localized inflammation probably on the moderate to severe side. Okay, how's that?
I would say like a 2.
Where? So it went from 7 to 2 now?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
Right there probably.
Okay. So this is a new MagnaHeal is actually built, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put it there, and we'll have you do the same motion and tell me if that made the change. So it's the MagnaHeal, it's version 2, which is I designed a belt for it. So let's do the motion and tell me how that feels. 0 to 10.
Yeah, less.
Okay, that's a sign you have kind of moderate inflammation. Your pain went down with the Magna Heal, but 2 minutes is not very enough to get the inflammation down. You need to have more exposure to the Magna Heal. So that's why I put the belt, Magna belt, the Magna Heal version 2, and we'll try the motion again. And how's that feel from 0 to 10?
Well, it's like a 1.
Okay, so we started with 7 with the belt, with the Magna Heal version 2, it went to 1. That's not bad actually. Usually when it goes down like this, you will need to wear it for like a few hours, and typically is enough for mild inflammation. Yeah. So do the other motion, do the anything to try to aggravate it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's only when I do that.
You do that and it's 1 out of 10? Yeah. Okay. What do you think about ASTR treatment?
It's amazing.
Yeah, you had physical therapy before, so
yes.
Can you tell a difference?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
The other one, I kept doing the exercises, and the last week or so, I started doing it less because I didn't feel a difference.
The same exercise, you can watch the exercise on YouTube. It's not really rocket science.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
All right, Carlos, we just had the Magna Heal on your elbow.
Yes.
And this is a very good case. That's why I'm doing like a follow-up. We did a nutrition evaluation. We did not record that. And we found several deficiency. We're going to work on it. But that is actually from the nutrition evaluation. That explains why you have constant inflammation. So we're going to do the experiment again. The same motion that you said it was 7 out of 10 pain. We'll do it now without the Magna Heal and see how you feel.
I would say it's about a 3.
About 3. So let's put the Magna Heal version 2 on it, and we want to try it.
Yeah, it's like a 1.
So it went down to 1. So that's a very good sign that you need to wear the magnet for several hours.
Yeah.
But if the pain is consistent, which we found from the evaluation today, there's some deficiency vitamins and minerals that will slow your normal healing cycle. So the Magna Heal will help, but if we don't get to normal 100% very quickly, we need to investigate which vitamins, minerals, which deficiency you might have. So just give me a feedback. You saw a medical doctor a few weeks ago, and you had a PT. Can you tell a difference between ASTR approach with like doing the holistic approach of nutrition, diet, exercises, and what you experienced before?
Yeah, before I was doing the recommended exercises, and I felt like, after a couple of weeks, I got kind of lazy about doing them because I wasn't feeling a difference.
Okay.
So I think this is definitely a deeper and better approach.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to astarinstitute.com.